Okay, now check this out. When I open the power off menu, I got three options here: power off, restart, and emergency call. This is the default power off menu we get. Now, how about this? I will now open the power off menu. You see, we have got power off, restart, emergency call, and another new option called lockdown mode. Now, when I tap on lockdown mode, the lock screen would look like this. The notification icons will completely disappear. The fingerprint lock will also go away. We can only swipe up to unlock the phone by entering the PIN. This is called lockdown mode. Now, this may not be useful for everyone. Just in case, if you want to enable this mode, you can enable it. And in any situations, if you want to turn this phone into a lockdown mode, which will disable all the notifications, fingerprint unlock, and pattern lock, then you can enable the lockdown mode. Now, let's see how exactly we can enable this. Let's go to settings, tap on lock screen. Here we have got this option called secured lock settings. Tap on this. Of course, we will have to enter the PIN to enter this menu. Now you see a bunch of options are showing up here. At the bottom, we have got this option show lockdown option. By default, this is turned off on your phone. It says display a power button option that turns off smart lock, biometrics unlock, and notifications on the lock screen. Just enable this toggle to add this all new icon or the button, the lockdown mode on the power off menu. Now, apart from this, you also have a couple of more options like lock network and security, lock instantly with side key, auto lock when screen turns off, and then we have got this option called auto factory reset. This is another important feature or this option which is disabled by default. You can enable this if you need this. As you can see, it says after 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone, it will be reset to factory default settings and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded applications. Which means if someone is trying to unlock your phone by entering the incorrect passwords, after 20 incorrect attempts, the phone will be reset to factory default settings automatically. This is a very important feature, but be careful with this. If you are someone who tend to forget your password once in a while and try to attempt the wrong passwords multiple times, then do not enable this. Because just in case you or your family members or kids attempts to unlock your phone multiple times, and the moment it hits 20 incorrect attempts, the phone will go to factory default settings. So be careful. Enable it only if you need it. If you ask me, I would prefer enabling this toggle. This is something which I wanted to share with you guys in this video. This is a very handy feature, show lockdown option as well as auto factory reset option. Do go ahead and check it out and let me know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hit the like button if you find this video useful, and while you do that, be sure to become a part of Apex community by subscribing to the channel. That's about it. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.